YouTube, and welcome back to another FTB episode. Today is another vlog. This is the second vlog on the channel. Before I go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna do today, or just in general, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Now that we got that out of the way, I want to install something pretty simple. I got pretty much last week. Came pretty fast since I ordered it about like a week ago or so. And it's just this is the carbon fiber piece e-brake that would go ahead and replace the stock one. The stock one is a silver one, just a simple install. Shouldn't take more than like maybe 2 minutes at most. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this on, and then let's continue with our day. So as you can see, this is our stock one. It's silver, and then like if the camera can focus just perfectly for you guys, there's some damages like here, and I don't know. Overall, I think it looks starting to look kind of worn out. I did repaint it silver. I just went ahead and painted it. I didn't even prime coat it or sand it down or anything like that. And to me, like from my initial setup inside with like this carbon fiber piece right here, and then like all of this right here, even though it's not real carbon, but it adds on to the aesthetic of the car, I feel like this would look a lot better. Even though it's not the same pattern, but I feel like it would look a lot better rather than having this. So when taking this e-brake off, all you gotta really do first is just take off the rubber. It comes out pretty simple. You just have to pull it down and then from the edges, and then once that happens, you're pretty much set and golden. And then once you pull off the rubber, to take this off, all there is just, if you can see, it was easier to show you guys once I took it off, but like there's a hole right there and a hole right here. That's where this, and then the other side would be. I already broke this off previously though when I first tried it, but now I know. Yeah, look at this. This doesn't look that good, to be honest with you. And then like all these blemishes and stuff, I don't know, it looks kind of like showing its age. So we might as well go ahead and then give it a nice improvement, a nice little carbon fiber piece. And then plus this comes with these clamps. It's only about 10 bucks, so it's a huge upgrade from what it is. So a simple install. Pretty much you would just have to go ahead, put it back, and then just push it down. Let me match up these holes real quick for you guys. Then one thing that I did notice though is that if you see on this factory one, this piece right, and then it's attached to this buckle right here, and same thing with here. I just realized it, but you pretty much just have to transfer that over because this one doesn't have it at all. And I was trying to figure out how is it gonna work without but yeah. So initially you would just have to take this piece off, which should just slide off from right here. And then since you have this head right, and then you have a new carbon fiber head, if you look closely, all you have to do is just pretty much pinch up. Once you do that, and then it should just pop out, and that's the piece. So then once we go back over here, we just have to take off the head and then put this back on. Same thing, once you got the head, just put that back on. I can't do it with one hand, so let me show you guys once I put it on. And then just like that, you have the factory piece back on it, and then you have the carbon fiber piece attached. Like I said, simple stuff right there. I think you can zoom in, yeah, right there. Where the silver meets to the black of the carbon fiber, that's where the head is. And then since you have that, all I have to do pretty much is just slide this back on, which I can hopefully try to do for you guys right now. Yep, we got it. And then just push in. And then boom, there we go. So now we're ready and set to install this onto the car and put it on. So let's go ahead and do that. And then just like that, we have it pretty much installed, and it looks pretty good, like compared to how it was before. But yeah, make sure to like this video. Let's continue on with the day. We went to a soccer field, right, which is what I was gonna go do, is play some soccer with my boy. And yeah, let me see. But yeah, I went to go try to play some soccer with my boy, but the field was pretty much really soaking wet. I didn't even get to play soccer. He went ahead and went straight home. I'm gonna try to see if I can find another field. I just came to another one too, and this one it has no like soccer nets and it's pretty much closed. Kind of sucks, but we're gonna give one more shot to one more field. Hopefully that one It is okay. It's a turf field. We'll see what's up with that. But go ahead and do that. And then in the meantime, I thought I might as well record myself talking to you guys to have one-on-one combos. I think the car build for the Civic is pretty dope. I haven't really done much to it, I would say. But for what I have in store for it, it is getting there. As you guys can see, like pretty much like the interior portion of this car, it's upgrading, like still little by little, more than what it is. And then yeah, it's funny, my battery's about to die. I think I have another one though. If not, then that's pretty much the end of this video for today. Probably. Hopefully not. But yeah, like this build is starting to come along. Still a long way to go to get it looking decent. Wheels, paint job, maybe vinyl wrap it, I don't know. Leave a comment down below if you have a suggestion of whether you would paint it or wrap it. I think maybe clear coat would be good. Like fixing the clear coat, because the color is starting to grow on me. At first I wasn't really too big of a fan of it, but it's not that bad actually. Some wheels, HFP kit. I have a new part at home that I haven't installed yet. It needs to be painted. And dang, Chick-fil-A looks kind of good right now, but I haven't eaten breakfast, so nah, that's lunch now at this point. But yeah, I got like side skirts, and then well, no. Oh, and if you sell it, don't put that in the clip. You gotta leave that as a surprise. I'm trying to go back to dumb. But yeah, since I got that new part at home, I kind of test fitted it. It seems like we're gonna have to fiddle around with the test fitment because it's not the best, and it seems like it came like when I got it, it wasn't really what I expected. Essentially, when you see the video though, you'll see what I'm talking about. I think it is manageable, but the thing is that I feel like there's gonna be some certain parts onto it once I install it that is gonna look a little funky. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's just like we just gotta dial and just play with the fitment, but you guys will see what I'm talking about. I just need some paint. Once I do get paint, we can go ahead and show you guys how to paint, also how to install and all that good stuff. Still haven't sold my pair of Ray wheels that I took off the Nissan like a while ago. Those are still at home. Haven't really like done anything with those, which I should honestly put them up for sale because I'm probably never gonna use those wheels again. But they do have some curb rash, so I was thinking about sanding them down and then like painting them, just to give you guys content. And then I could probably ask more for the wheels if I wanted to, but I probably wouldn't. I just have a set price in mind. Those wheels were pretty cool though. Yeah, and then besides that, same thing. Still thinking about which car to get. Right now, I'm just saving up my money for the most part. Since I bought a new microphone, as you guys probably saw, I'm not sure if in the previous video or in the future video, that one of those two I ended up using it, and it does make the audio quality like 10 times better. About that, and next thing is a gimbal, a stabilizer, nice little some nice little camera setup equipment, some new lens, you know, just make this content more like videos like more enjoyable for you guys, rather than it just being pretty like poor quality. I'm just trying to upgrade it as much as I can between me and my boy who's editing it. But yeah, I think we have a set foundation. Giving you guys the FDB talk on one-on-one, I think we are pretty good, and it's coming along more than I had thought, because this is like the very beginning for me, right? And I'm like still really a small channel. I'm not like anything big, but it's just kind of shocking to me that I even like have this many videos out. Like I have 16, probably like 2 more or 3 more, I don't know, whenever this video comes out for you guys. Ooh, nice R6. It was static. Looked like it would blow. Beater car just like mine though. But yeah, I guess let's go ahead and go to the soccer field and see what's up. Hopefully I can play some soccer. I'm not a pro, I just want to kick the ball around just a little bit, do some exercise, get the Monday morning routine on since today is a day off, and might as well do something about it. I think I might get a car part later today. I'm not entirely sure. If I do, I'll probably install that as soon as I can as well. See what's up with that. But yeah, stay tuned to this video. So quick change of plan. I went to that field too, and that was pretty packed. So I guess soccer's not the move today, which is cool. I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much just go home. With that though, I'm gonna probably change out the front wheel, maybe. I'm not sure if I'll put that on camera, it depends. But yeah, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna go ahead and change the front wheel. Probably do that later on in the day, because right now I just have to go do something else. And then the reason why I'm changing the front left driver wheel only is just because that one's kind of bent. Since I bought the wheel set, right, and then I went ahead and installed it on the car. I thought it was a balancing issue, but it turns out that the wheel is slightly bent. It's nothing like major, but like whenever I do drive it, I do feel like the constant rotation of the hitting from the wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and just put one of the stock ones back on, like the black OEM ones, and then so at some point, maybe like either this week or next week, I'm gonna go ahead and probably just take that wheel to a shop to see if they can remove the bend, like rotate it and make it back to normal, and then I'll go ahead and put that wheel back on. But yeah, stay tuned. This vlog, I'm trying to